This is a Singer 15K Treadle machine made in 1945, and the first thing I'm going to show you today is how to thread a bobbin. I'll put the thread here on the spool pin at the base, and here is the bobbin. You will see it has holes in the side, and I'm going to thread the thread through one of the holes in the side so it comes out from the centre to the side. Now I will put the bobbin onto the bobbin winder and turn it, because there is a little pin that engages it into place. It's just gone straight into place. And I'm now going to engage the bobbin winder by pushing it down so the rubber tire comes into contact with the balance wheel here. Now the thread needs to go underneath this thread guide here at the bottom and up to the right. So I'll pull that a little tauter. So now you can see that the thread goes underneath the guide, up from the right, up onto the bobbin here, and the bobbin is pushed into place against the balance wheel. And I have a spare tail here to make sure it doesn't come unthreaded. Now I'm going to turn the balance wheel gently towards me so that it starts winding onto the bobbin. It's now winding, and because it's all in place, I'm going to snip off the excess thread here so it doesn't get tangled, and I'm going to start treadling. Make sure that the balance wheel is coming towards you. Get the motion with the treadle and start winding the bobbin. It's a noisy machine, so I think we'll stop. I think you've seen enough. When you have threaded enough thread onto your bobbin, take it off by pushing this lever back here. It will pop up, pull it off the pin and snip the thread. You also have a tail here that you need to get rid of. Snip that off too. To thread the top thread, put the cotton on the spool pin and then take the thread first of all through this hook here at the top left of the faceplate. Then take it down to the back of the tension discs, round and underneath, then up and round the tension discs. Make sure that you go under this bar here and then over that bar and down to the side of the tension spring here at the back, and then loop it through the loop in the tension spring here. Then take it up to the top and through the hole in the take-up lever from the back towards the front of the machine, and then down the faceplate so that it goes through this hook here on the faceplate, and you can just slide it through like that. Then down to the hook which is by the needle clamp, through there, and then you are ready to thread the needle, which when you are facing the machine is threaded from left to right. Here is the bobbin case, and you will see that there is a latch here. If you pull it out, you can hold the bobbin case with one hand, and then take the bobbin so that you have the cut off snipped end of thread here, and that is the side that you put into the bobbin case. Slot it over the pin here in the bobbin case, so that when you pull the thread you will see that the bobbin turns clockwise. Then hold the bobbin case so that you can see this cut groove here in the edge. Take the thread there and pull it down through that cut groove, and then downwards underneath the plate on the surface of the bobbin case, and then pull it until it comes out at the top of this cut out hole here. And you have now threaded the bobbin case, the bobbin into the bobbin case. When you pull the thread, it is free running. To load the bobbin case into the machine, hold it by the latch and have this pin here pointing upwards, and then put it into the machine underneath so that the pin is at the top. Then you are ready, leave the thread trailing, then you are ready to take one turn off the balance wheel to pull the bobbin thread up. There we are, the bobbin thread is up. We can close the slide plate, put both threads towards the back, and you are ready to sew.